TensorFlow is revolutionizing how we interact with technology in our daily lives. First up, let's talk about healthcare. TensorFlow is powering predictive analytics in medical imaging, helping doctors detect diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately. Imagine a system that can analyze thousands of images in seconds, spotting anomalies that even the most trained eyes might miss. Next, we have autonomous vehicles. TensorFlow is at the heart of the algorithms that enable self-driving cars to recognize pedestrians, navigate complex environments, and make split-second decisions. This technology is not just about convenience, it's about safety and reducing accidents on our roads. Lastly, consider personalized recommendations. Whether it's Netflix suggesting your next binge-worthy series or Spotify curating your daily playlist, TensorFlow's machine learning models analyze your preferences and behaviors to deliver a tailored experience. This level of personalization enhances our entertainment and shopping experiences, making them more enjoyable and efficient. TensorFlow is truly transforming our world, one application at a time. TensorFlow is revolutionizing how we interact with technology in our daily lives.